locals. We're now here at Mosa. Ayan si Mama. Ma! Actually, kakadating ko lang after a crazy, hectic flight from Coron to here in Panglao. Yung food niya is, I think yan, mga Filipino food. I think mga fusion siya. Actually, hindi ko na review beforehand kasi nakikita ko lang siya sa TikTok. So, ayan o, fish. Ooh. So, I think it's a fusion of Filipino food and ibang cuisine. Yan. Okay. So, mag-order muna kami and then we'll show you later what we're gonna get. So, this is the clam chowder, no? And so, si Papa muna because wala pa akong kinakain. So, I don't think seafood would be a good idea. Oh! Ayan, punong-puno kasi rin siya. This is the spider shell crab rice. So, yung spider shell is this one. Ayan, ayan siya. So, ito yung nakikita nyo sa pag nagsuswim. Apparently, kinakain pala yung nasa inside. So, ayan siya, spider shell. And then, this one is their polo chicken. So, dalawang flavor siya. Ayan. So, we're gonna try the spider shell crab rice. Anong lasa ng spider shell? Parang squid. Parang squid.
Sarap.
Ooh.
Right.
Smell.
Kinakain din.
Cute. Yung bear ko. Cute. This is the bear smoothie. Ayan, syempre. Hindi na tayo natuto dun sa from Siargao. So we're gonna try the spider shell crab rice and then yung parang polo chicken nila. That's the soft shell. Ayan o. Okay, let's try. Actually, lasa siyang squid. Tama si Mama. Lasa siyang squid. And then this one is their polo chicken. Ayan. Very super malasa siya. Pero semi. Hindi kasi ako maalat kumain. So may konting alat siya. Pero okay naman siya. And then this one, ayan. Ang ganda niya. Wait, I'll show you. Is pizza na bangus. Ayan.
We call it fishza.
Fishza, yung tawag sa kanya. Cute. This is the bangus. Oh,
Pizza.
ayan, bangus pizza siya. So talagang topping siya ng pizza in a bangus, format. Masarap niya kasi puro cheese.
Ayan, this is watermelon with ice drop ba to? Watermelon ice drop and I think may ice cream yata sa ilalim.
Ooh,
There's ice cream.
ganda. Good morning! So this is our only full day here in Bohol. So actually ito, nag-book na kami ng driver through Klook. So this is a private driver for 8 hours. So kayo na bahala gumawa ng itinerary nyo, but they can also recommend. So actually, even yung mga staff dito, sabi nila sa amin, nag-get the 8 hours. Kasi from Henan, this is near the airport, it will take you an hour and a half to go to Chocolate Hill. So yung 4 hours na option, medyo maiksi siya. So get the 8 hours. This is Southwest. First stop is the Blood Compact. So, yung babasahin ko siya. So, the Blood Compact, yung monument siya of the friendship of the foreign and then yung locals of Bohol. So, ito yung parang pinupuntahan dito. Like a monument. So, parang photo area. And then, after this, we're gonna go to the next spot. Yan. So, after the photo area, sobrang bilis lang namin. Mga 5 minutes. We're gonna go now to the next stop. Ayan. So, meron nag-photo sa amin. It is 100 pesos. Tapos kasama na yung history of the Blood Compact. Actually, hindi naman need magpa-picture. Pero ayan, na-take niya. So, maganda naman siya. At least you do have the history. Baka lagay ni Mama sa ref.
Accident kasi ba? Malapit sa accident yung mga turista. Kasi hihinto.
Kasi nasa kalsada talaga siya. So, dati nasa kalsada yung Blood Compact. Nilipat siya dun sa loob para hindi siya nakaka-cause ng traffic and accidents. So, next stop is actually pasalubong area kasi madadaanan na namin. So, pinuntahan na namin. Ayan. Hello po. Binubuksan pa lang. Unang-una. Ayan.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, this is Aproniana Gift Shop. So, dito kami dinala nung guide namin because this is a DOT regulated gift shop. So, meaning hindi sobrang blown up yung prices niya. But, you know, I also have to check. Tingnan natin yung mga prices ng mga bilihin. Good. Ito yung mga tarsier. This is the asin. You know this one? We had one sa Toyo Eatery. So, the asin tibuok is actually one of parang delicacies siya. Asin, pure asin ball yan ah. Ayan o, tapos konti lang kailangan mo.
Kalamay.
Kalamay?
Famous daw yun dito sa Bohol.
Oh.
Just like the kulangot in Baguio.
Kalamay.
Yeah, that's kalamay.
Ano po siya?
Sa
Coconut?
Baguio, they call
Meron may sticky rice po sa loob.
Peanut sa flavor, ito yung plain.
Ayan
Tapos
pala.
may OB flavor.
with
With peanuts.
Kalamay.
100.
And then, this one is peanut kisses, so 235. Pag may discount ka, which is yung eto, it's 228 for 16 pieces. Tapos pasalubong queen. Ayan na. 10 hours na kami dito.
Wow, grabe.
Next target is mga magnet. Ayan. So, the magnet here, mas mura siya kaysa dun sa Island Souvenir kasi 40, 31. So, baka this one, iuwi ko lang kay tita. Ayan, sa Mami ni Jets. Tapos si mama din mag-uuwi siya sa bahay and then also sa shop. Hello! Ayan, so sa labas lang kami kasi kami ni mama sleeveless. So hindi ka pwede pumasok if your outfit is hindi ka naka-cover up. So dati merong binibigay na cover up pero ngayon daw you can only get yung cover pag pumasok ka ng museum, which is a 150 pesos entrance fee. We are now here at the parking lot going up to Chocolate Hills. So kailangan na magbayad ng entrance fee, which is 100 pesos per person. Tapos, ihahatid kami doon sa taas. I think doon magsa-start yung stairs. Medyo malayo si Chocolate Hills. Nakatulog na ako mga parang around an hour. An hour pa siya from doon sa Baclayon Church. So, we are here. Dito kayo i-drop ng cars, but walang pwedeng mag-park. So, doon sila ulit sa baba. Mag-iintay lang. Ayan. And then we have to go up there to see the view. For everything else, syempre kailangan ko mag-CR bago tayo umakyat doon. Kasi as in mataas yung steps. So, gotta go to a bathroom break first. So, this is the entrance of the stairs. Ayan. This is just a quick history of the Chocolate Hills. Ayan. So, this is the first stop. You do have a stop here. So, I don't think it's too high pa. Ayan. Tsaka mahangin. Ayun, no? Kita nyo na yung from here pa lang makikita nyo na yung view. Ayan. So, just go up a little bit more. It's Mama and Papa. So, we're gonna continue and go up yung next flight of stairs. Ay, pagod ka na, Ma? Pagod na siya. Actually, nakakapagod tumapak. Okay, we made it to like a photo area. Wait, let's look. Here you go. We made it to the top. Dito na yung photo area. Oh, look! Hingal pa ako. So nice. I don't know kung kita masyado sa cam, pero ganda. Pagod! si,
Mas marami naman yun sa Fuji dito. I think this is 230.
si Papa nawawala pa. Ayan, actually dito dapat sa baba mag-photo. Wait, let's go. So, mga 11:30 kami dumating, kaya medyo tirik yung sun. Pero hindi ganun kadami yung tao. So, magpayong na lang. Ayan, let's line up here. And there's this line for the corner. Kasi I think yan yung best shot of the Chocolate Hills. So, the hills are actually color green right now because rainy season na here. So, usually pag dry season daw, it's color chocolate. So, it's brown. But right now, it's color green. Ayan. Kamusta ka pa?
It's like playing 18 holes.
Oh, para daw golf. Uphill golf. Kasi parang mga 200 steps siya. So, there's a rock here also. Ayan, bato. Tapos mag-photo ka. Medyo kita siya. Ayan yung view. Oh. Wow! Mama, where are we?
Nandito tayo sa mga kamag-anak ni Papa. Oh! Okay. Conservation.
This is the Bohol Tertiary Conservation Area. So, dati, sa ibang area sila, pero nilipat na sila lahat dito. So, let's see how this is different from the one before. Ayan. Ayan. And so, before you enter, you have to pay. So, it's 170 is regular, 160 is student, senior is 136. Okay, so no flash photography. I know bawal din maingay when you see them. This is first time. Yeah, first time.
57 years.
In 57 years ng buhay niya. First time siya makita ng tarsier. Can I get one? Ayan. So, this is the ticket that you get. Ayan, may photo nila. Parang photo card ng tarsier. Okay. Again, no flash photography allowed. And also silence. Ayan. So, bubulong lang tayo sa microphone ko. Okay, I'm gonna talk near the mic kasi you need to have silence. So, you're gonna have like a mini hike kasi papasok tayo doon talaga sa parang forest. Okay, I'll show you. And I think meron na dito. You're taking photos. Natin kung makikita siya ng cam. Ayun silang dalawa. They're like... Dalawa ba sila? Or one lang siya? As in, super tulog siya. But they are nocturnal animals. So, meaning, gabi sila gising. I'm not sure if you're gonna see this better, but... And it's over there. Ayan, so, as in pumapasok tayo sa parang forest. At least they are well taken care of here. Tsaka, tahimik talaga yung mga tao. There it is. You see it? It's sleeping. As in, kasing laki lang siya ng kamay. Papa's first time. And Papa's first time to see a tarsier. Nagpo-photo up lang sila. I think this is the closest one we saw. Ayan, tulog talaga sila. As in, naka-eyes closed siya. Oh. And super, eto nga medyo malaki pa to eh. Ano? And ito lang yung gising na nakita namin. Oh, he's awake. But parang nag-look away siya. Oh, there. Oh, so cute. Oh my. Sorry. Okay. Close to the mic lang ako. Oh, wow. That's so nice.
Yeah.
Natingin ba siya? Tulog.
Gising.
Ay, gising siya. Anong review mo sa tarsier? Ang cute.
Sino ako?
Hindi, yung tarsier. Papa, sa ano mo, 58, 57?
Yeah.
57 years of existence. Anong review mo sa tarsier?
Parang si Juju Bear.
Yeah, miss na namin yung mga anak namin po siya. Ayan, napasulubong Queen is at it again. Bibili na siya ulit. So, ayan, dyan ang, the exit actually leads you to the store. Kay Papa to. Look at it. Cute. Tapos, bumili kami kay La Juno ng ganito. So, kumakapit sa body nila. Yes, this is Bohola Bubu. Ang cute naman itong bonnet. So, next stop is man-made forest. Ayan, o, loko. This was planted 50 years ago. So, if you can see, grabe to. Actually, nung nag-plane ride ako, kitang-kita siya na meron siyang parang hulma ng streets. And then, bumili pala ako ng necklace and this bracelet doon sa Tarsier. Ayan, let's go. Para to sa Siargao, yung sa gitna ka, may sasakyan, may sasakyan. Itong dalawa na to, ayan, oh, go photo op! It's so nice, oh. It's a sport to get your photo dito sa man-made forest kasi mabilis yung daan ng mga cars. Okay, so these are the tickets. So 1,000 per person siya. Actually, una inisip namin if magkuklok or not. Pero pwede ka naman mag-walk-in. Ayan siya. So now we are boarding on boat 24. So gate 2 daw. So this is the Lobok River Cruise. Ayan. Una na si Papa. Kasi late na kami nag-lunch. Wow! Look at that. Wow, Papa! Hi! We got our food already. Ayan. Filipino food siya. Though hindi pa gumagalaw yung ferry. Kasi I think meron pang ibang inita, hindi pa complete. But then, pwede ka na kumain and kumuha. Masikip lang yung space niya. Kasi ganyan siya eh. So, usually yung ikot, medyo nagkagulo-gulo yung ikot right now. Ayan ang kanyang plate. Ayan. And then, Papa's plate.
Nagutom na gutom na.
Yes, gutom na panga.
And it's chow pan.
Oh, barbecue. Kapag barbecue. Okay, later pakita ko pag gumalaw na kami. The boat started to move pa lang. So actually, parang may waiting time din siya ng mga, hindi ko 20 minutes. So halos nakakain na kami bago siya nag-start. Kasi tinitingnan nila yung re-refill nila. So ayun, if you can see si Papa, wow! Yan. Gutom na siya kanina. But it's a nice cruise. It started to rain, but with sun. So may kinakasal na tikbalang, I guess. Ah. So midway, merong mga sumasayaw. You can give donation. Ayun, nagbigay siya.
Very common, right?
Binidyo ni Papa yung tinikling ko. Oh! Actually, medyo nakakapagod pala yung tinikling. Pero, pag nakuha mo na yung rhythm, tuloy-tuloy na siya kaso natapakan ko yung bamboo. Pero okay lang naman. It was a fun experience.
Welcome to Lobok.
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 Okay, so we're done with the Lobok river cruise. And then we got our photo. So, pinipicturean kayo doon sa dulo ng boat. And then you can buy it. So, magkano to? Tag 100?
150.
150 isa. And then you scan the code and you get all the different photos. Maganda naman siya. At least may photo kaming tatlo. So, last stop would be the Bohol Bee Farm. Hello! So our last stop is Bohol Bee Farm kasi pabalik na siya ng Henan. So we'll just show you what's here. Para siyang Christmas village. So it's more like picture taking and just going around. They do have a shop. Later, puntahan natin for pasalubong. We wanted to try the ice cream because it is coconut milk. Ah, wow! So we got some ice cream. It is cassava cone and it's gluten-free. So yan. Si Mama got avocado. So we're gonna walk to the bee farm habang nag-ice cream din kami para makita na namin what is downstairs. Let's go! Pagbaba mo, restaurant pala siya. Asan yung mga bee? Makikita ba natin? Pero they stopped yung bee farming operation nung pandemic. Kaya wala na pala tayong bee na makikita. So what they did is yung agriculture, which is itong coconut milk, and then yung cassava, which is the cone. Okay. Anong naalala mo dati dun sa bee farm, ah?
Pinapakita pa yung mga bees na nagkano. Sa honeycomb.
Oh, yung sa honeycomb. Parang yun medyo naalala ko. Pero bata pa kasi ako nun. So, ngayon pala wala na because of the pandemic. And this is the shop. So, mga pangpasalubong also. So, they have barley, guyabano tea, may mga tea. Ayan, meron pa rin pala silang honey. Meron pa rin. Ayan, they still have honey products. But not like before na meron honeycomb. Ngayon ko lang napansin na pauwi na kami. Bohol Farm na pala siya. Hindi na nakalagay bee farm. Yung isa parang naka-erase yung bee. Tapos nilagyan nila Bohol. Kasi nga, wala na pala silang bee. Or hindi na yun yung main na pinupuntahan dito. So, yun. That's the tour for today. We're gonna go back to Henan. I'm gonna show you how Henan looks like. Kasi hindi ko pa napakita kahapon. So, quick room tour of Henan. We are here at Henan Tawala. So, there is also Henan Alona, which is where the beachfront is. So, later papakita ko. So, this is actually the deluxe room. So, it has a twin bed and then it has a queen bed. Yun lang yung nasa online. Pero, nung naka-check-in kami, nag-extra single bed pa sila. Hindi ko sure if tatlo ba talaga ang bed ng deluxe, pero good for 3 lang yung binayaran namin for this. Ayan siya. And then it has, ayan, mirror here, TV, ay, sorry, medyo magulo yung mga gamit ko. And, ayan, actually, and you know what? They always give you water. So, they have nature spring water. Kasi, ang problem ko, when I went to Bohol, when I went to Palawan before going here to Bohol, is actually the water. So, at least dito, lagi meron. Okay. Bathroom, very clean siya. Sobrang lakas ng water pressure. Ayan lang siya. Simple lang siya. Okay naman siya. And, actually, very spacious siya for 3 packs. Maluwag siya. And then, after that, we will actually go to Alona Beach. So I'm going to the beach. It is 5:11. So this is Alona Beach. the sand. Very pino. Very white. Ayan. Actually, madaming tao because I think magsa-sunset na. So, inaabangan nila yung photos. But look at that. Look. Actually, madaming seaweed doon sa, the water. Actually, clear naman siya. Kaso sa start, medyo madaming seaweed. And then, kind of looks like this. Alam mo, parang Boracay siya. You know, the strip of where there's restaurants, there's kung ano-ano. Ayan. And there's a lot of people. Yan, bago siya dumilim. So, hindi pa ako makaswim kasi wala pa sila mas. So, lalatag lang ako here. Ayan. If you would ask me if I prefer the Bohol beach or Siargao, I would say Siargao. Maybe kasi gabi ko na nakita itong beach. Okay, so, our last dinner before we go home tomorrow is here sa Sea Breeze. So, dito lang siya sa Henan, Alona. Ayan. So, there's no reservation here also. It's a buffet. So, walk-in lang kami at 7 o'clock. And it's cheaper pala if you are checked in kasi may discount. So, pag room charge siya. So, nice. Of the grill station, this is lemon butter. Ah, okay. Belly. Nice. Okay. So, we have Tepan area. Medyo konti na siya because I think kanina pa nag-start yung buffet. Then, you have your dim sum. Okay. It's your rice. Ganyan. Okay. Nice naman. And so, this is the dinner. Mga assorted lang siya because medyo hindi pa ako super gutom. But yeah, that's dinner.
Good night.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye! Bye! Yeah.